Hello, 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 all of our Motor City Solutions Facebook followers. Gwen Stacy here, live in the office at the Hot Rod Shop. It's been a while since we have done a live video. We have been so busy, got a lot going on, but I did just want to jump on and tell you guys about our upcoming open house tomorrow. I'm looking around for a flyer, but I don't have one on my desk, so I'll have to show you in a minute there. Oh, holler. Thank you, sir. So yeah, open house tomorrow from 9 to 6. We will open at 9 this year. In the past, we've opened at 12, and we have found that everybody is just at those doors begging to get in earlier. So we'll start earlier this year for you. We will have food, hot dogs, chips, and pop available. We will do our classic car photo shoot. Last year it was like a really amazing car show, to be honest with you. I'll walk out here in the shop and show you guys a little bit about what we have going on. Everybody's just getting ready for the show tomorrow, and then I'll show you the parking lot to give you a good idea of what kind of car show it's gonna be. I mean, really, it's a lot. It's big. So yeah, if you don't know, now you know. Tomorrow, July 27th, from 9 to 6 at 24331 Brest Road. That's Taylor, Michigan. So yes, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm gonna switch it around. Like I said, the shop is I don't want to say a mess, but it's in the middle of getting all prettied up for y'all tomorrow. Hi, Steve. Hi, Ashley. Okay, so this is the Hot Rod Shop. We have 28,000 square feet here. Getting ready for the show tomorrow. I don't want to give too much away. So, and then, like I said, last year was a riot. Shaboom came through and had some 100-foot flames going. This is our neighbor's parking lot. And then our parking lot here, all the way to the back there. And like I said, the building is 28,000 square foot. So you can get a good idea of how big this parking lot is. And then the back lot as well was just packed. I mean, so many cars, so many people. It was such a good time. The 47 Seagrave fire truck that we restored years ago will come back. I love that. That's like tradition. Right, Rick?
How's it going?
Ready for the open house tomorrow? I've been working your ass off today? All right. Well, we appreciate you. What? Oh, okay. Yep. Looks good. Hi there, Scooter. So, got the booth looking good for you. Jose, it's been so long. I don't want to give all the secrets away. I don't want to show the whole shop off. Hey guys, what's up? What y'all getting ready for now? There's the bull. Okay, well, I guess I don't want to bother you too much. Except I kind of do because we're live. They're like, we haven't been live in 2 years, Gwen. Okay, so we'll check back with them. Actually, we might not check back. This is going to be really short, really sweet. Like I said, we're all really busy getting ready for the show tomorrow. We have a lot of good cars in-house. The team will all be here. It's my favorite day of the year. Really, I mean, it's like better than Christmas. It's such a fantastic event. So many cool cars, great people. During the Telegraph Cruise, of course, which makes it even more spectacular. So I'm going to jump off of here, but thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see everybody at the open house tomorrow. It's going to be a fantastic event, 9 a.m. to 6. And when you come, make sure you check in on the Facebook event. We'll have a free raffle, raffle off some cool car detailing stuff. And like I said, did I say free food? So yes, that's always a plus. Come on in tomorrow. Motor City Solutions. I hope to see you guys there. Take care.